The phenomenon of unpredictable and fluctuating changes in nature is an important factor that has long been affecting agricultural sector. The Royal Irrigation Department, or RID, under the Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperatives, as the main government agency responsible for the country's water management, felt the need to help the agricultural sector to have sufficient water for the whole year. Hence, the department has formulated a development plan to improve and modernize its water management. In 2009, the Royal Irrigation Department, in cooperation with the Faculty of Engineering at Kampang San, Kasetsart University, Kampang San campus, mapped out a plan for modern irrigation using state-of-the-art technology as management tools. A pilot project with telemetering and remote control system is to be launched at the Pisanulog Irrigated Agricultural Development Project, Regional Irrigation Office 3. This project would change our water management into a better, faster, and more effective than ever before. It would also serve as decision-supported tool for water managers to immediately respond to water situations. The Pisanulog Irrigated Agriculture Development Project has its headwork at Nalesuan Dam, covering approximately 660,000 rai. This project, located at the downstream of Sirikit Dam, comprises water delivery system, drainage system for flood protection, and water distribution system on both banks of Nan River. Water is mainly delivered to the right main canal, with the length of 176 kilometers. 3 provinces benefit from this irrigation scheme, including Pisanulog, Pichit, and Nakhon Sawan. Target areas of the modernization project cover areas under 4 operation and maintenance projects, namely Nalesuan Dam, Lai Chumpon, Dong Sethi, and Tabua. The objectives of the Irrigation Management Modernization Project using information and communication technologies are as follows. 1. To study and design telemetering and remote control system. 2. To acquire and install equipment and devices. 3. To develop information system for irrigation management. 4. To transfer technology and provide training. 5. To set up operation and maintenance plan. The initial stage of the modernization comprised study and design of telemetering and remote control system, examination of existing data, and completion of additional survey. Then the equipment and devices for telemetering and remote control were installed. For communication system, the wireless mesh technology has been selected for main communication network. One key device implemented in this project is an embedded computer system installed at remote stations. This device compiles data from sensors and transmits signal to the main control center at the Regional Irrigation Office 3. It also controls operation of water regulators, which is the core function of the irrigation scheme. The computer system installed at the main control center stores and processes data. Meanwhile, computer equipment was also installed at 4 other subordinate centers, so that all installed equipment can synchronously function for consistent, rapid, and accurate data. While the equipment was being installed, the information system for irrigation management was developed at the same time. Data stored in database include water level recorded every 15 minutes, 15-minute rainfall, and gate opening. The decision support system is capable to evaluate data and present results on website and in paper format so that all concerned staff can follow up and examine information at real time. Simulation model can provide supplementary information to support water managers for appropriate decision and timely action. Scope of modernization project included technology transfer and training on operation, equipment maintenance, and information system to the RID staff, with a view to enable them to get familiar with new emerging technologies and be able to utilize them at the highest efficiency. Finally, after completion of the installation of telemetering and remote control system, it is necessary to perform operation evaluation, which may entail some calibration of the equipment in order to obtain maximal functionality. After all implementation has been achieved, operation procedures for RID staff will henceforth change, and this, in turn, leads the irrigation management to its new era. Traditional operation begins with field staff observing all measurements by themselves, which means they have to go to water regulators and read actual water levels and gate openings. Each staff has to record all data and forward his report to the Water Allocation and Irrigation System Improvement Branch of their respective operation and maintenance project in charge. In case of emergency, telephone communication could also be employed. After that, the data will be reported to the Water Allocation and Maintenance section of the Regional Irrigation Office, where all incoming data will be uploaded into computers. In evaluating water situation, it is necessary to have completed data from all operation and maintenance projects in order to make decision appropriately on tuning water regulators in the irrigation scheme. Then, instructions for further actions are sent to all field staff to proceed with the adjusting of gate opening. After the field staff have carried out the instruction, each one of them reports the results of their operations. From the above procedures, it is evident that data and communication are crucial for operation of irrigation management, let alone a considerable number of human resources involved in the undertaking. New operation. To begin with, substations, where sensors for water levels, gate opening and rainfall have been installed. Transmit these data to the auto processing embedded system. The data from substations are submitted to the main control center at the Regional Irrigation Office 3 through the wireless mesh communication network. The computer server at the main control center compiles data and stores them in database. A backup system is located at the Royal Irrigation Department Office, Samsain Road, and also at CAT Telecom Public Company Limited. The information system for irrigation management can display real-time data and provides recommendations for operating water regulators. Decision maker can use both recommendations from the information system and their own experience to tackle the problem whenever the situation arises. The embedded system installed at substations can directly regulate gate opening according to instructions from the main control center. The subordinate centers can access data from website and control water regulators in the respective area under their responsibility. In an emergency or any necessity, such as unusually high water level in a canal, which requires immediate action, the system can send SMS to warn all concerned staff to act promptly. The principal goals of this project are effective water management, appropriate water allocation for agricultural land, and to ensure that farmers have adequate water and in time. Another important aspect is to enhance capability to manage with systematic method and up-to-date data in order to be able to cope with natural risks in the future. Because water is indispensable resource for all lives on the planet. Hence, to manage water with an awareness of its being invaluable, with service-mindedness, is the vision of the Royal Irrigation Department in their new era of water management, and with the conviction that water is the department's chief responsibility. As our ID motto, fully supply water to complete production support and enhance the quality of life for economic stability.